Presidential son at House Senior Deputy Majority Leader Sandro Marcos dinepensahan ang kanyang mga magulang mula sa iba't ibang mga usaping ibinabato laban sa kanila. Si Mela Lesmora sa sentro ng balita.
Dinipensahan ni House Senior Deputy Majority Leader Sandro Marcos ang kanyang mga magulang na sina Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. at First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos sa mga batikos na ibinabato sa kanila. Ayon sa kongresista, hindi na sila balat sibuyas ng kanyang ama dahil matagal na sila sa politika. Pero iba ang sitwasyon pagdating sa First Lady, kaya't naiintindihan niya ang mga reaksyon ng kanyang ina.
Well, to tell you the truth, ako sanay na ako eh. I've been in politics long enough to know that that's how the game works. And my dad, same thing naman. It's nothing new. There have always been accusations hurled. There has always been mudslinging. So that's nothing new. My mother is not quite as used to it as we are, as the both of us. So you know, her reaction from that interview, I think that you've all seen, is I guess one of a wife who is being protective of her husband. So I think we can sympathize in that sense.
Isa sa mga bumabanat ngayon laban sa presidente, si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Pero hindi pumalag dito ang presidential son bilang respeto sa dating Pangulo ng bansa.
I'm not gonna comment on any statements of any former presidents because I don't think it would be appropriate. I still think, given that they are former heads of state, that they should be afforded the same respect that the current head of state should be afforded as well.
Sa darating na linggo, ipagdiriwang ang Mother's Day. Ano naman kaya ang mensahe ng kongresista para sa First Lady?
I hope wag siya magalit ng masyado. Not to be so mad anymore. Like I said, I think naninibago lang siya. And she's not used to being exposed to this kind of publicity. So I understand naman where she's coming from.
Mela Lesmoras para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.